AI is transforming everything, but some jobs are eye-proof. According to AI safety expert Dr. Roman Yampolskiy, only 5 types of work will truly survive the automation wave by 2030. Let's find out what they are. AI is advancing faster than ever. Many worry about job loss, but Dr. Yampolskiy, a leading AI safety researcher, reveals a surprising truth. Certain professions have built-in protection against automation. These aren't glamorous jobs. They're essential human roles that AI simply can't replace no matter how advanced technology becomes. First, creative roles requiring genuine innovation and emotional intelligence. Second, jobs involving complex human judgment and ethics. Third, work demanding physical dexterity in unpredictable environments. Fourth, roles built on human trust and relationships. Fifth, positions requiring oversight of AI itself. Ironically, the safest future jobs involve managing the very technology disrupting other sectors. These roles survive because they require something machines can't replicate: authentic human judgment, emotional connection, and moral responsibility. AI excels at pattern recognition and data processing, but struggles with nuance, creativity under uncertainty, and accountability. Yampolskiy emphasizes that the future isn't about avoiding AD, it's about understanding where humans remain irreplaceable. Whether you're planning your career or concerned about automation, focus on developing uniquely human skills: critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and ethical reasoning. The jobs of 2030 won't compete with AI, they'll complement it. Start building these skills now to stay ahead in our. If this opens your eyes to AI's future, hit subscribe for more expert insights. Drop a comment. Which job do you think is most eye-proof?